Alright, let me try one more time. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hey Larry, what are you doing?
Wait, you're about to do a trick. You want to see? Okay. Alright, so hold on. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you gotta watch where you're going. Yeah, I need a lot of practice. Anyway, what are you doing? Sorry. I was about to sing or something. Okay, so what are you doing? Just came to see what you're doing. What was that nervous trickle? What? Yeah, it was. I don't know why, but yeah. Ah! What the heck was that? I don't know. Ah! What's that noise? Well, let's go ask our brothers what. Ow! What is that noise? Ow! Well, I'll tell you, Lemmy. What? Like seriously, what is that noise? It doesn't sound like our brothers are. Let's go ask our dad. Good boys, we're gonna ask our dad who was ever making that noise. Yeah, let's go. Dad! Oh, God. What do you kids want? Do you know who's making that noise? What noise? You seriously don't hear that? You seriously don't? No, what noise? This guy's a liar, look. Well, he'll hear any second Debbie Cheese making that noise. Or he'll like, oh God, what is that noise? Okay, you're busted, Dad. Wait, no, what are you doing? You're busted. You're busted. You. Get out of my face. It's not me. Oh my God. My ears hurt. Wait, guys, I just realized something. What? We don't have ears. Wait, I do. Wait, no, you don't. I have these horns. That makes them ears. But we don't have any ears. If you say we don't have ears one more time, you're breaking the fourth wall. What? I'm not breaking fourth wall. I'm not breaking any fourth walls. He does not know what it means. Alright. So that if it's not you, who can it be? I don't know, Iggy. I wasn't even making any noise. Can we just get out of here? I'm trying to sleep. I'm staying up until midnight. Why? Playing for Super Smash Bros. You're too old. Now what? Oh God, I feel like I didn't take my pills. Wait a minute. I think it's Wendy. Come on, guys, let's go get her. Okay, why am I stuck in here? Like, oh my God. Hey, Wendy. What do you want, Badger Jr.? Are you making a noise? What? No. Ow, what the heck? My ears. Wait, I don't have any ears. Junior, you're breaking the fourth wall. Oh, I have horns. I forgot about that. Ow. God, Jesus. That hurts my ear. That's not me. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna sell this. It can't be one of our brothers. Yeah, of course it does. Like, cool guy, you making a noise? No. Right, no, Morton? No. See that? There's only... Oh, we didn't ask Chef Wario. Oh yeah, we didn't ask him. Okay. Come on, let's go get Chef Wario. He's like the only one we didn't ask, I guess. Come on, everyone, let's go. Why? I hate my life. I always have to cook. Hey, Chef Wario. Hold on for a sec. What are you doing? Just hold on. What do you want? Are you making a noise? Hold on. No. Nah, I'm not. What? Yeah, I'm not making. Oh my God, my ears. God. You know, I'm leaving. I think there's something else. Oh, he's definitely making a noise. He's definitely making a noise. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We need to get him.
But we should just let him go. We have no idea if it's him or not.
Listen, Louis. Yeah, okay. If we don't battle him, I don't know. I'm gonna take away all your toys, and I'll take away all your side stuff, and I'll take away your memory.
But I don't have any dolls.
Whatever. Well, how are we gonna do this?
We could just
Hurt him, like kill him, murder him.
He's actually doing it.
Anyway, come back here. Yo, come on. Come back.
Hey, Chef Wario.
What? Oh my God!
You know what? If you want to mess with me,
you go get it now. Oh, let's go. Oh, go, come on, get away. Wait, no, he has a gun. Run!
hey, that'll teach him.
Oh, and now we could go back to cooking. Alright, guys, if it's not any of you, or Dads, or Chef Wario, then who could it be? Oh my God, that really hurts. I think I'm gonna die. Oh my God. Okay, I think I'm gonna die here. Stupid chump. Wait, I think I know the one person who. Okay, never mind. I think I know the one person who can make that sound. Well, who is that, Junior? Okay, he's really stupid sometimes. His name's Luigi. Wait, Luigi? Luigi's not stupid. He's the scaredy cat. No, Ouija. Ouija? Because he has a wee-wee? What? No, you're gay. Oh, I'll just come over here. Ouija, come over here. Ouija. Hey, my name's Ouija. Oh, hey, Ouija. What do you want? What are you making that? Ow. Yeah, you made that noise, didn't you? Yup. And that was annoying. Yep. Where'd you hear from? Yep, it was him. Ow. So I guess he wasn't look like a weenie. What? I thought it was a wee-wee. Shut up! You're gay. Now get out. Fine.
Well, we're finally solving the mystery. Now I'm gonna go back to the toilet.
Why? Why do you want to go back to the toilet?
Well, we finally solved the problem.
Yep. Get out of the way, Ludwig. Yeah. So Larry, do you want to play the Nintendo Switch? Yeah. Why do I have a big nose? None of your business. Alright. I'm going to learn math. I'm going to go be royal. I don't know, do something. You guys, I want to play the Nintendo Switch with you.